Ready to supercharge your checkout with flexible payment options that boost sales. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly integrate Klarna with Stripe. First, let's head over to your Stripe dashboard. You'll need to ensure you have a Stripe account set up and ready to go. In your Stripe settings, look for the payment methods section. This is where we'll enable new payment options for your customers. Within the payment methods, utilize the search bar and type in Klarna. You should see Klarna appear as an available option. Click the Enable button next to Klarna. This action will initiate the connection process. You'll then be prompted to log in or sign up for your Klarna merchant account. This links your Klarna services directly to your Stripe account. Once logged in, Stripe will guide you through confirming or entering your necessary Klarna API credentials. Ensure these are correctly input to establish a secure connection. And just like that, you've added Klarna. Now, when your customers reach your checkout page, they'll see Klarna as a payment option, offering them the flexibility to buy now and pay later. This integration means your customers can enjoy flexible payment solutions, leading to a smoother checkout experience and a potential increase in your conversion rates and overall sales.